Okay, now that you have one result, you need to apply this in all the other cells. That's the best use of Excel. You don't need to, calculate here again, write the formula here again, here again, here again. That's not effective use of Excel. But when we drag it towards right, we can see that we don't have the results as we wanted. So if I double click and send it down, we have the results for only this column. So I want the results for all of them. So what I will do is just remove this, and there is one golden step and condition that you need to identify. This is the most important lesson of Excel. Even if you learn a lot of functions, you cannot do anything until and unless you identify what is fixed and what is variable. So I have a dollar sign, and dollar sign means fixed. So any cell reference has two contents. For example, C5. Okay, I have white text. So like C5, it means it has a column and a row. 5 means row, C means column. So if the fixed or dollar is not applied in either row or column, that means that column and row both are movable. It can be moved anywhere. So when we drag it towards right, for example, when we drag towards right, this column value changes, and when we drag towards down, the row can change. There is one other condition that I put C $5. That means behind any variable, if there is dollar, so that is fixed. It means in this condition 5 means row number is fixed. So I can write, okay, in this situation column is what? Yes, movable, and row is, yes, fixed. There's one other condition. We can have $C5. So dollar is right behind the column. It means that column is fixed and row is movable. Okay. Now you understand this point, right? And there is one other situation, $C$5. That means whole cell is fixed. If we move downwards, the cell will not change. If we move towards right, left, the cell will not change its position. So that means both column and row is fixed. Now, you understand that point? Okay, if you understand, let me take your test. Okay, let's write a scenario with ran between of 10 to 90. Drag it towards down and drag it right. And I can hold right click and move anywhere, come back, and then release the button. Copy here as values only. Okay, now What will be the answer if I write equals to sign and then click on this cell? The reference is I-21. Yes, the answer will be 29. If I move towards right, the answer will be 27. If I move down, as the cursor is now selected here, means the cell number is here, so as I move down, the answer will change to 85. If I move there, the answer will be 16. So that's all movable because I haven't fixed any of the reference. If I open this one and press F4 one time, it will fix all. Press F4 second time and it will fix like this. Now read what is fixed. Column or row? Yes, row. Row is fixed and column is movable. So what will be the answer if I drag it towards left? Now you have to keep in mind that the column is fixed and the column is free and row is fixed. So that means column can change from J to I. Just spend a minute and think. The answer will be 29 because row cannot change, but this is not row. If I move here, the cell reference is moving from J to I, but the row is same, 21. Moving within this row, but the column is changing. So that's how you can apply this. Okay, if I move down, now the row is fixed, so it cannot change from 21 to 22. So the answer will be same, 27. Yes, if I drag again towards left, the answer will be same, 29. So that's a simple test. Let me take another test. If I go again and select this and press F4 again, we have some other references fixed. Now what is fixed now? Column, and row is free. So if in this situation I move left, what will be the answer? Here column is fixed and row is free. So the answer will be 27. If I move down, now the row can move. So the answer will be 85 because I'm on this position. This cell is selected right now. So it can move its position downward. So move down 85. If I move towards the right, the answer will be 85 because the column is fixed. Okay, so that's a simple test. What we need to do now is apply what we have learned in this situation.